Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you how can you push your image in Docker repository. If you use Docker, if you go to hub.docker.com and create an account, you can push your own image for sharing with others by Docker Hub. First of all, after you go to hub.docker.com, after login, you will get this dashboard here, and you can see there is called repositories. First of all, you can see there are some images here. Let's say Docker. You can see the my images is available here. So let's say I will push this PHP app in my Docker repository. Okay. Let's get started. First of all, what I have to do, I will create a new repository here. After that, I will give my repository a name. You can give a short description here. Okay, let's create. Now you can see that my repository is created. You can see the name of the repository, also the description, and you can also see there is commands to push this uh, to repository of my local image. Okay, so what I will do, you can see this is called docker push. My username, this is your username, and my app name and the tag name. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I will rename this. As you can see here, the image name and image name here is not same. So what I will do, I will rename this my local image to this image. Okay, so for that I have to do is docker tag my PHP app colon, and the tag here is what is called Apache. It's called Apache. This is my local image name with tag, and this will be my, you can see this is my repository image name. Okay, so I will rename to that. Command is docker tag local image name with tag and repository image name with tag. Let's type it here. Okay. Let's give a tag here. One thing you have to remember, that when you are giving every name, you have to include the username here, just like this one. Okay, so I'll do that. So it's done. If I check again my images, you can see this is my new image. Okay, so I will push. So let's start docker push cd my PHP app. Let's give a tag here. Okay, so yes, I think everything is fine. Let's start it. Okay, I have a spelling mistake here. There should be a hyphen. You can see if you give a wrong name, it will show that this repository doesn't exist in Docker Hub. Okay, now it's starting. It will take a little bit of time. So I think it's completed. Let's check by reloading the repository. So you can see my Docker image is pushed to the cloud in Docker repository, okay, in Docker Hub. Okay, so you can see the tags here, you can see the builds, previous builds here. To automate the builds you have to upgrade this. You can see collaborators and you can choose also settings. Okay, so I think this video will be very helpful to you if you want to push your local images to the Docker Hub in Docker registry or repositories. Okay, so I think that's another thing I want to mention here is what is this, where is available. If you see the public view here, you can see after going to the public view you can see the name, by whom, by the description. Also you can see the pull command here by which you can pull your registry or repositories in Docker Hub to your local. Okay, or you can share with others to collaborate. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.